Find or read reviews that people are talking about Crossfire by OmegaStrap Jump Starter with Air Compressor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Jumpstart almost anything. The Crossfire is the best choice when shopping for a reliable battery jump pack. It is thoughtfully designed for maximum overall performance by providing efficient compact battery usage. The jump starter supplies up to 1000 cold cranking amps, cca. Inflate tires up to 150 psi. The 150 psi compressor can run up to a half hour to inflate tires at the fast pace of 4 to 5 psi per minute. The filler conveniently clamps onto the valve stem, and the unit may be set to automatically shut off when it reaches pressure. All you do is set the pressure and let it do the work while you do yours. Lightweight and portable. Thanks to the Crossfire's lithium-ion battery, it weighs less than 2 pounds. Its small size, 8.25 x 4 x 2.25 inch, allows you to store it in your vehicle without knowing it's even there. We recommend placing the Crossfire right up near the driver's seat and keeping it where it is always ready when needed. Charge all of your electronics. Standard USB output allows for the charging of your electronics. LED flashlight with a SOS SAFTEY element. You can see what you are doing, or be sure others see you. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.